Last year, I made over £15,000 just by selling Notion templates whilst I was working full-time in a hospital. Digital products can be life-changing, not just for you, but they can also add a lot of value for your customers, for who's getting your product. In May 2022, I started my Etsy shop. I decided to list some of my Notion templates that I loved it. I am obsessed with Notion. I use Notion for pretty much everything, and I tell everyone about it. I'm like obsessed with it. I saw some people online selling Notion templates, and I was like, why not? I'm just gonna list those templates on Etsy. I haven't told anyone, I haven't started social media, I haven't promoted. I just left it there and I forgot about it. Don't recommend doing that. Then after 2 months, I started getting sales. I got really excited because I love Notion anyway, and I decided to invest more time into creating more templates and promoting my templates as well using Pinterest. I make sales every day from multiple sources now because I already have my website, and I really want this for you too. If you love using Notion and if you want freedom, if you want something that keeps working for you when you are not actively working, you need to invest in digital products. So if you want to make some extra cash, it's still in 2023, and you don't want to quit your job, you don't want to do something like that, it's going to take so much money and time, Notion is a great way that you can do that. The first reason why is because Notion is currently on high demand. There's so many people looking for Notion templates, and it's just the beginning. It's gonna grow so much more. If you do some research and see how much Notion is growing, how many people are like changing how they are working instead of using paper. I'm not saying that paper planners don't work. It doesn't fit the world that we live in anymore. We have too many things going on, too many plates to hold, too many things. Maybe you have a business, you have social media, you have channels, you have a blog, you have so many things, and you need something digital in order to organize all this. And Notion is the perfect solution, and it's free for personal use, which means that anyone can download and use it. The demand is high and the competition is low. So if you go on eRank, you can do some research and see there's over 13,000 people looking for Notion templates, and this number can go up to 25,000 just on Etsy. Why? The second reason why is because it's a digital product, which means that you only need to create this once and you can sell it forever. You can take maybe one weekend, or you can use a template that you already have, or you can use a PLR Notion template. I'm going to be releasing this PLR template kit with a Notion template that you can just customize and resell it as your own, so that saves you a lot of time. The third reason why is that you don't need to quit your job. You don't need a massive amount of time to start this. You only need a couple of hours a week, or the time that you have. Like if you have an hour a week, you could do something. You can do this on the side of your full-time job, and especially if you're having fun, it doesn't feel like a job. I was so excited to work on my Notion business. If you don't know, I used to work full-time for the NHS as a healthcare assistant, so it was like 12-hour shifts, 4 times a week, 3 to 4 times a week. And when I was on my days off, I was working on my Notion business, like creating templates and customizing and listing and learning so many things, like because I had to learn pretty much everything on my own. The next reason why is because you can use skills that you already have. You don't need to go and find courses and do courses. You have your own zone of genius. You have something that you're really good at and that maybe I'm not good at on these things, and you can do a Notion template. You can use your zone of genius or something that you're really excited about, something that you love studying. Maybe you love like books. You can create a lovely book tracker with all the features that you think it's important for you as a reader, and you can share this template and charge for it. And this is actually what I teach my students inside the Passive Income Academy. I always recommend them to sell templates in their zone of genius. The zone of genius is basically an area that there is a demand, you have the skills and you are passionate about it, you are excited about it. This is where the energy comes from. And if you are just creating just for the money, you're not gonna go very far. So I'm just gonna be honest with you. If you just want to do for the money, okay, it's fine, you can do that, but you're not gonna go very far. So that's why I recommend following something that it's exciting for you. The next reason, it's very similar to the one that I just said, but I think is one of the most important ones because it's fun. I think we should do things that are fun for us, not just, oh my god, I have to hustle and do this, do that. You just have to follow the fun. And I found on my experience, the more fun I have, the more money I make, and everything just flows more smoothly when I have fun. So every time that I sit down on my desk to work on my business, I ask myself, how can I make this enjoyable? How can I have fun with this? How can this be fun? And the more excited I feel about, the easier things. And with Notion templates, it's a fun way that you can create and express yourself and share your knowledge and make money on the side. The last reason why you should consider start selling your own Notion templates, it's because it has zero cost to start. You don't need any software, you don't need to pay anything to create a Notion template and sell it. You don't need the Teams account or any paid account in order to sell your Notion templates. So you can use Notion for free, you can use Canva for free to create your assets and promotion graphics. You can use Pinterest to promote, you can use social media to promote, and it basically has no cost to start. The cost is mostly your time and your ideas and you actually taking the time to work on this in order to plant this freedom seed, is what I call it, because once you have a digital product to sell, you have a freedom seed on your hand. So you need to keep nourishing, and I am super excited for you. I hope you launch your Notion template. Share with me, share with your friends, and if you like this video, please leave a like below. This helps to grow my channel. If you have any questions, you can send me a DM, but if you want to start selling your own Notion templates without having to start from scratch, you need to know about this. I am about to launch my new PLR Template Kit. It's basically everything you need to launch a Notion template in a day. You get a PLR Notion template, which means that you can resell it as your own. You get Etsy Canva templates that you can create promotional graphics and list your product on Etsy or any other marketplace. You get a PDF guide, all the step-by-step on how to customize your template, how to make it aesthetic, and I'm so excited to share. It's going to be available on the 6th of November of 2023. If you are watching this before this date, make sure you join the waitlist. If you have any questions at all about selling Notion templates, just leave in the comments. I love to help other creators because when I started, I didn't get any help. I had to figure out everything on my own and it was really hard, but I had fun with it. So I am here to help you, and I see you on the next video.